Let's make these cute and easy headbands for Halloween with some floating embellishments and colorful pom-poms. Let's get started. I have listed all the materials needed to make this hairband down below in the description box. First, we're going to cut pieces of white felt to go to the back of the embellishments. This was the first time I tried making these, so stick around to see all my tips because not everything went smoothly. Then cut 4 pieces of wire, each about 30 centimeters long. Take 1 piece of wire and start twisting it, forming a little loop at the top. Heat up your hot glue gun and get ready to start gluing. Now, glue the wire between the ghost and the felt. Repeat the same for the second ghost and the boo embellishments for the other headband. I love pink, so I chose to make one of the headbands with pink and orange pom-poms, but use whatever colors you like. I recommend starting by applying a small dot of glue to the middle of the headband and then pressing a pom-pom on it. Hold it in place for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. So this is where things went a bit wrong for me. I have used a hot glue gun for years, but having never made this headband before, I totally overestimated how much glue was needed. So what followed was me burning my fingers on the glue, resulting in me saying a few words that YouTube would not like. Anyways, don't put loads of glue on or you will burn your fingers. You could always use a different glue, like E6000, if you don't want to use a hot glue gun. But then you will have to wait for the glue to dry for about 1 to 3 days. Next, we're going to attach our ghosts to the headband. Position one ghost on the left side of the headband and twist the wire around the band a few times to secure it. Use your side cutters to snip off any of the excess wire and then take your chain nose pliers and tuck the end in. Repeat this for the second ghost, positioning it on the right side of the headband. Do the same with the other headband as well. And there you have it. Your super cute and easy Halloween headband is complete. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.